up with that? Putting your face out of the gate? And why are you all out of breath? You been running? Huh? Lola. And guys, also this is actually 400, and this small socks is 240, but the guy I bought from with this said this is too expensive for 240. It should be just 200, but oh well, whatever. And then we are going to fill up this bucket. I need to put this down first, Daddy.
I will. I'll get it.
Lola chased the bubbles. Ah! Where's she at? She's still chasing the bubbles.
She even jumped on that fence when the bubbles were there.
One more. Right here, Lola. Blow it, Ate. Ah! She likes the bubbles. Oh! Ayan, let's eat lunch, guys. We are... Steve is going to get his McDonald's sandwiches, and here's my lunch.
Because she can't eat chicken all the time, but she can eat rice all the time.
Of course, but I eat vegetables and...
That covers up the rice. Eating all that starch.
Sahog nito, kalkad, and ulo ng pinakas. Ayan guys, let's eat.
Pistol, isang ka magazine, walo ka mga bala sa among
listening to a local radio.
Nga illegal nga droga. Ang nasabit nga operasyon ginpatigayon sa 605th Maneuver Company, Regional Mobile Force Battalion 6, kagina suportahan sa Ibi Magalona Municipal Police Station, kaga first.
No. What is this?
They even have their
Food
own
court.
Mom, they have their own place to charge the phone.
Yeah, they have power there too. How did you do that? How did you do that? Here, Lola, pang-us to bube. Instead of eating, how you call that? Eating steak. Oh, pang-us to bu si Lola. Ayan, grabe. Masura na ito. Here. Hindi ko pang-us to bu. Yeah. Ito pala yung nabili ko kahapon, yung cilantro sa Custom City, guys. Ano ba tawag dyan? I-harvest ko. Bagay ko sa fried rice. Parang ano. Sinamo ka ba na ko daw ay din sa ano. That's why I'm too busy in the kitchen. And guys, it's the second week of the bahay kubo building, and they're almost done. They are pouring concrete on the last columns. Last 6.
They don't have the other 6 done.
1, 2, 3. Oh, the footing first. They're doing the footing right now. This is 12 feet above the ground and 13 feet. Okay. So they have a system going on in here. They don't want Steve to rent a concrete mixer. He said they just do it like this. Probably on the flooring.
Motorcycle with a tire car.
I think they're gone.
They're gone. I would stay there all night long if I was the police.
Wow.
Make these people stay here. But they just need to put foot patrols out. That when they do it, they come in on the back end and they just gradually come through and start tagging people. Huh?
They closed that. Sa bawan, no?